YouTubers, just on my way to go get some free pallets. We're going to see what kind of crafts we can make out of these pallets. So come along for the drive. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, we've got the pallet in the house. Pull some of the wood off, and we're going to leave some of the wood on. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a tree out of all of this. So now that I'm looking at it, I'm going to need the trunk of the tree to be seen. So I'm going to actually take off this bottom board before I start cutting so that it doesn't all fall apart while I'm trying to pull this bottom board off. So that's what I'm going to do now. So now I'm just going to take the circular saw and cut out my Christmas tree. Alright, YouTubers, as you can see, this is one of the boards that I cut off the pallet. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to repurpose it to turn it into a base to hold the bottom of the tree. You need a base, you just can't have it stand there all by itself. So I'm just going to make a simple base attaching to the sides of the trunk. In essence, it'll be in this shape. It'll help give it stability left and right, forward and back. So that's what we're going to do now. Tree is now completed. I'm going to now put some paint on it. Let's see it done. Alright, we've now got a basic paint on. Now I'm going to put some LED lights on here just to jazz it up a little bit. Let's do it. I'm going to kick it up another notch, and we're going to add a little bit of snow to this thing and see what else we can do. Bam! Bam! Okay, and every tree needs a star, so let's put one on. Hey, YouTubers, really enjoyed this project. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.